An automatic transfer switch, or an ATS, is the backbone of reliable power systems, especially in industries where downtime is not an option. Let's dive into the world of automatic transfer switches, exploring their function, importance, maintenance needs, and common issues. A transfer switch is a device that transfers the power supply from the primary source, typically the utility provider, to a backup generator during a power outage. An automatic transfer switch ensures seamless power supply to critical systems without the need for manual intervention. The ATS does this by continuously monitoring the incoming utility power supply. When a power failure or outage is detected, the ATS immediately disconnects from the utility and transfers the load to the backup generator. This typically occurs in only a few seconds. Once the utility power is restored and stable, the ATS automatically switches back to the grid, disconnecting the generator. Several factors can lead to malfunctioning of the ATS. A failure in the detection circuit, relay, or mechanical components can prevent the ATS from switching to the backup power source. Inadequate ventilation, particularly in older or poorly maintained systems, can cause the ATS to overheat, damaging its internal components. Battery failure is another potential issue if the ATS depends on a battery backup, as it will not function correctly during an outage if the battery fails. Additionally, prolonged exposure to moisture or harsh conditions can lead to corrosion of the electrical contacts and terminals, further impairing the ATS's performance. To ensure the reliable operation of the ATS, it's essential to incorporate a proactive maintenance routine. Regular testing is key to confirming that the system functions properly under various conditions, including simulated power loss scenarios. Visual inspections of the ATS and wires should be conducted to identify any physical damage or signs of wear. Tightening loose electrical connections can help prevent potential issues and extend the lifespan of the system. Keeping the interior clean and free from dust and debris will help maintain the components in good working condition. For ATS units that rely on batteries for backup, it's important to regularly test and replace the batteries before they reach the end of their service life. Using thermal imaging can also be a valuable tool for identifying hotspots or areas of excessive heat buildup, which can indicate potential problems before they lead to failures. A properly functioning transfer switch is essential for maintaining a reliable backup power supply for your business. Regular maintenance, such as visual inspections, testing, and thermal imaging, keeps your ATS operating effectively when it's needed most. Taking a proactive approach minimizes the risk of unexpected failures and keeps your operations running smoothly, even during an outage. Contact us today to schedule a service.